Hi, thanks for joining us. This is your daily Markets.com reports. Markets in the U.S. were mixed at the opening but are now up as investors digest a series of economic data released today. Because markets will be closed tomorrow for Christmas, the Labor Department released its initial jobless claims for the week this morning. That number came in at 586,000, a new 26-year high. Continuing claims dropped a bit to 4.37 million from last week's 4.39 million. Also this morning, the Commerce Department released personal spending for the month of November. That was down 0.6%, while personal income fell 0.2%. In other news, the Treasury is once again tapping into the Troubled Assets Relief Program, this time pulling out $4.7 billion to invest in 92 local banks. This, of course, is meant to boost lending. And the price of crude continues on its downfall, getting close to that $37 mark. Switching now to Europe, where stocks are lower today on the falling oil prices. In the UK, BP and Shell were weighing down on the FTSE. They're both down around 2%. Also in the UK, the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors said home prices there may fall 10% in 2009. That report caused the British pound to slide against the dollar by 1 cent. In news out of Germany, at 25 billion euros, Angela Merkel's second economic stimulus package will be less than expected, as the German Chancellor plays by the EU rule that limits deficits to 3% of GDP. The DAX is also down on the day as car parts maker Continental AG drags on the index, down 7%. And over to Asia now, where stocks fell for the fourth day in a row. The Nikkei lost 2.4% after being closed yesterday to celebrate the emperor's birthday. Toyota's announcement Monday that it will lose $1.6 billion this year is still taking a toll on the automakers and all related stocks. Toyota was down 4%, which dragged down Bridgestone by 5%. And in more Toyota news, it appears that the company's president, Katsuaki Watanabe, may be replaced by Akio Toyoda. That's Toyota with a D. In other news out of Japan, the Prime Minister's cabinet approved the budget for the 2009 fiscal year. At $980 billion, it's up 6.6% from last year. Chinese markets were down as well. The Hang Seng lost 0.2%, and the CSI lost 1.6% as commodity stocks took a hit from lower commodity prices. That's your daily markets report. I'm Luisana Swegert with Markets.com. Happy holidays.